Today we're going to be looking at how to do a staple back. We had this one on last week. We weren't too happy with it, so we come back to redo it. There's a couple different ways to do a staple back. We're going to do it the fast way today. And the way I like to do it is I will just come up to a nice straight edge, preferably with a 90-degree angle on it. And then I'll kind of line it up on the material like that. And then, you know, this thing needs to run about a ½ inch inside the perimeter all the way around. So I'll just kind of guess a 1-inch overlap here and a 1-inch overlap on this side. And then I'll trace this thing out, not with a pencil straight up and down like you would making a pattern, but real tight in here. Like that. Then I cut it out. Trying to go real straight because, you know, everybody's going to see this. The only reason we're doing this thing is because the pad sits vertically. And we want it to look good. Once I get done with that part, I line it up to where I want it. So this side, you can see, is where I want it, and this side, and everything looks good. Then I'll take my pencil. Kind of got lucky this time because it hit perfectly. A lot of times I'll still need to trim something off of here, but I'll take my pencil and I'll hold my hand a certain way, and I'll use this finger here as a guide, and I'll run my pencil around the corners that are still 90. See, I'm probably going to take another ½ inch, ¼ inch off of that, and I probably could take some off of this side, but it's so close I think I'm going to leave it. So we're just going to eyeball it, or a guy could do this number here if he wanted that same exact radius. As long as it looks good and it doesn't take you forever, I guess. After that, you're done. You just staple it on. Make sure not to staple the whole thing together, because you'll lose your bolt holes, and trying to find those T-nuts is a real pain in the butt. So you kind of got to mark them as you're stapling. And that's it. That's how you do a staple back.